Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I just took out my braids. I had them in, they were knotless for about 8 weeks. Combed them out a little bit with a detangler brush last night and put them in 4 plaits. Now it's time to wash them. You can still see a little bit of the dirt clumps in the back, but today is wash day, so we're going to do a wash day tutorial. How I wash my hair to maintain and keep length growing. So I start with this Shea Moisture shampoo, intensive hydration. I'll link all of the products that I use in the description, so if y'all want to check them out or try this hair wash day routine, y'all can do so. But I wet my hair first and then put the shampoo on. I apply a generous amount of shampoo starting with the scalp and then moving down to my the ends of my hair. Because I have a lot of hair, I always tend to use like a lot and need to pour more in my hand, but this is that. I love Shea Moisture. If y'all have seen my other hair videos, I always use Shea Moisture products because, especially with the shampoo, it doesn't like super dry your hair out. But definitely check out my other hair videos. I'll link those also. Okay, so that part is done. Rinsing it out a little bit. Now I'm going in with this Curl and Shine conditioner from Shea Moisture to condition my hair. I love the smell and you know how this product works on my hair, but this pump, y'all, Shea Moisture, y'all need to do something about that. Excuse my underarms. This is a no judgment zone. So if you've seen my channel before, you know that. If you are, your first timer here, now you know. So I'm putting some of that in, and then I use the egg. So it's been 8 weeks since I washed my hair without braids. So I'm doing this egg along with the conditioner to really hydrate and give like a protein treatment to my hair. This is definitely one of my tips, and I feel like it helps with the growth, maintaining growth, preventing split ends and breakage and things like that. So just 1 egg. You can use 2 if you want, but 1 egg is enough because I'm using it along with the conditioner. Then I'm going to also use some olive oil in here too. Y'all see that in a second. And as I go through, I just detangle with the detangle brush, because whenever you're conditioning or doing like a mask or treatment, you definitely want to make sure that you're getting any kinks out. This is the perfect time. You don't want to do it when it's dry. You don't want to do it when it's only water. I like to have some type of conditioner or moisturizer in my hair when I detangle. No idea why my stomach looks pregnant, but let's disregard that. Then I just brush my hair with a regular brush after I detangle it and just kind of prep it, wrap it up in a little knot, prep it. I think I skipped the part where I put the olive oil, but just some olive oil from the kitchen. Wrapped it up, put a bag over it, and then I'm going to just sit in this for about 15 minutes. Now we're back and we're just going to rinse that product out. Okay, now it is time to, blow dry and get this ready. So I'm using this Thermal Shield heat protectant. Always use a heat protectant before you blow dry your hair. So I'm going to actually be doing a super sleek ponytail for New York Fashion Week. If you don't know, my activewear brand we're headlining a major New York Fashion Week event this weekend coming up. So I'm pretty much prepping my hair. So I'm not doing a full style. Y'all, the John Frieda Frizzies, I've talked about it in my hair tutorials before. This is my go-to to really easily blow dry my hair. I've gone from 6 sections needing to blow dry my hair to 4, now to 2. So y'all see me section it off into 2. Run the John Frieda Frizzies through each side just to kind of get any tangles out. And then I'm going to comb through it with the detangler brush before I blow dry it. So the John Frieda Frizzies, I was buying it from Amazon and then I couldn't find the exact bottle I used to use. So this skinny bottle y'all saw earlier is what I'm using now. I was scared it wasn't going to be the same formula because the bottle looked different. It was a little bit of, a new look from them, but it still does the job just as well. I'll link that too. Like I said, any products that I use for my hair, I'll link it in the description so y'all can see it, check it out, purchase it if you want it, if you choose, if you want to try this method. But my hair is super healthy. You know, the breakage has decreased a lot since I've consistently done this wash day routine. And y'all can see how easy, like the John Fried, I keep preaching about it because it's so good. And, you know, it's not sponsored. I buy my own stuff. I just discovered it from a girl on a YouTube video a while ago, tried it, and then just continue to try it continue to use it ever since then. Using it on my daughter's 4C hair. I did a silk press on her using it. So like, it's a game changer. So you find it hard to detangle your hair or blow dry your hair, or, you know, taking up too much time, definitely get this product because it cuts down the blow dry time so much. And so the same thing that I'm doing on this side here, I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side, repeat the exact steps. But I like I said, I'm able to now do 2 sections when I used to have to do like 6 and then 4 as far as how I section off the hair. But when I put the John Fried Frizzies in, it just makes the, like I said, blow dry experience so much easier, so much less like tangling and all that. Okay, first side is done. Try to take a picture for my thumbnail, but it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give, so moving on. So again, John Fried Frizzies. I put like 3 pumps for each side, put it in my hand, rub it together, and just kind of like comb my fingers through it. Do that first, kind of like wipe it all over, any excess product on your hand to get it on your hair. Then go in with the detangle brush. Now, I'm not saying this is completely painless as far as detangling, but it's nowhere near as bad as it used to be. And the process is just so much easier to detangle. And definitely be gentle when y'all detangling your hair. I mean, you're not trying to rip your scalp off, but just be gentle. You know, start from the ends if it's crazy, work your way up to the root and bring it down. But just be gentle with your hair, because if your goal is to grow your hair, you know, make it healthy, prevent breakage. You want to just take your time and be patient when you detangle. Okay, so now I'm pretty much done blow drying my hair, and this is really much it. It's clean, my scalp doesn't itch anymore, it's hydrated, it's moisturized, and now I'm just going to put it in a little ponytail until I'm ready to put it in my sleek ponytail. I bought this drawstring ponytail from Amazon, and that's what I'm going to use to wear and do my hair for Fashion Week. But in the meantime, I'm just going to put my natural hair in a bun, part it down the middle, not really putting any product on it because this is not my final style, but it's more so like, okay, my scalp was itching, it's time to wash and just kind of detangle. So I'm using BioSilk as a smoother to just kind of like, you know, help with the frizz and prevent any tangling and things like that. And then just part it down the middle, brush it up, put it in a bun, and I'll probably do my hair later on today, but this is just kind of what it's given. Quick part down the middle. For the most part, I'll be in the house, but I might just put a scarf on it so my hair can lay down a little bit if I do have to leave out the house, just to look presentable until I like do my real hairstyle. I hope y'all like this video. I hope this video was helpful. I hope, you know, I don't know, let me know in the comments below if y'all do use eggs for protein in your hair. Like I said, I use egg and olive oil. So if you have to wash your hair in the kitchen sink, a lot of the products that you need that are really good for your hair are right there. Disregard the gray hairs, y'all. I just don't know. I'm stressed out. But yeah, stay tuned for the ponytail video and stay tuned for my other DIY videos. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see y'all next time.